Data Jockey here, machine learning for Victorian racing. Race 3 at Sandown Hillside, Saturday 22 August 2026. Let us get straight into it. Right here is the quick summary for Race 3 at Sandown Hillside, and this is one worth paying attention to. 2 selections from the model today. Nearco Frode is the place selection. That is the top pick, the one the model is most confident about. And Beach Pad is in the same race multi as the top 4 selection. Not a standalone place selection, the same race multi only. So if you are short on time, there it is. Nearco Frode for the place, same race multi combining both. But do yourself a favor and stay with us, because what the model is seeing in this race is genuinely interesting, and understanding it will help you make a more informed decision. Let us break it down. Race 3 at Sandown Hillside. 10 runners and the top 3 pay a place dividend today. The model has 2 selections for this race, and interestingly the top selection is the market favorite. The model agrees with the market on the top pick. The favorite fits the place finisher profile. Place selection on pick 1, same race multi also available combining both selections. Not every race gets a tip from us, only when there is genuine value. Today there is 2 selections. Let us walk through them. Quick context before the picks, since how this works matters for understanding what follows. The model driving these selections is machine learning based, trained on Victorian racing, and it never stops updating. Every race meeting adds to what it knows. That is different from a static system built once and forgotten, and it matters because racing patterns shift over time, season to season, even track condition to track condition. The real differentiator, though, is the target. Most tipping approaches chase the winner. This model chases place finishers instead, horses landing in the top positions, paying a place dividend. Different target, different method entirely. It is processing dozens of variables across the whole field simultaneously: pace, distance, field makeup, historical patterns, how each runner matches today's specific rivals. All at once, in combinations that are well beyond what manual analysis can realistically track. The full methodology is linked in the description if you want to go deeper. Right now, though, Race 3 is the focus, and the model has a strong view worth walking through. Let us get into it. Pick 1, the model's top selection for Race 3, Nearco Frode, the market favorite. Now this is interesting, and it does not happen every race. The model is agreeing with the market here. Nearco Frode fits the place finisher profile the model looks for, and it fits it strongly enough to be the top pick. Now that does not mean it is a certainty, nothing in racing ever is. But it does mean the model's analysis and the market are pointing in the same direction, which is a meaningful signal in itself. I cannot give you one clean reason why the model rates Nearco Frode so highly. That is genuinely not how it works. It is simultaneously processing dozens of variables across the entire field. Track conditions, distance, field composition, historical patterns across thousands of Victorian races. All of it at once. What I can tell you is that the model was built specifically to find place finishers, not winners. So when it lands on the favorite as the top pick, it is saying this horse fits the historical pattern of horses that hit the places in races like this one. That is a different question to whether it wins. And that distinction is the whole point of building it this way. Nearco Frode for the place. Top 3 finish in a 10-runner field. That is what the model is saying about Race 3. For entertainment purposes only, please make your own informed decision before placing any bet. Pick 2, Beach Pad, currently 4th in the market. Now this one is a different kind of selection to pick 1, and it is worth understanding the distinction clearly. The model sees Beach Pad finishing in the top 4, but not necessarily in top 3. That is a crucial difference. The data does not support a standalone place selection here. It does support the same race multi as the top 4 selection. Now that might sound like a technicality, but in a 10-runner field, it is meaningful. The top 3 pays a place dividend, 4th does not. So a place selection on Beach Pad on its own is not what the model is suggesting. The same race multi is where it fits. Think about what the model is actually saying about Beach Pad. It belongs in this race. It fits the profile of a horse that finishes in the top 4 in this field, but whether it gets into top 3, that is less certain. For the same race multi, top 4 is enough. Nearco Frode top 3, Beach Pad top 4. That is the combination the model is pointing to for Race 3. Race 3's same race multi pairs Nearco Frode as a top 3 finisher with Beach Pad in the top 4. Availability depends on your wagering provider, so check there first. One thing worth clarifying before anything else: these are genuinely different bet types, not interchangeable versions of the same thing, and their odds of landing are not equal. Nearco Frode on its own as a place selection is the safer, higher probability play. The model's confidence is strongest there, and while the return is more modest, the chance of it landing is better. That is the model's core view on this race. The same race multi asks for more. Both Nearco Frode in top 3 and Beach Pad in the top 4 need to land together, which lowers the overall probability but lifts the potential return considerably. There is no obligation to take both. Nearco Frode as a standalone place bet is where the model's signal is strongest. The multi sits there for anyone wanting the higher variance option. Either way, go in knowing exactly what each bet demands. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please make your own informed decision. If today's full card is what you are after, every race has a dedicated video, all collected in the playlist, uploaded ahead of race 1. Worth browsing the other races to see which selections fit what you are after. Combining multiple model selections into a place multi is something some punters do. Your wagering provider can explain how that works. Whatever you decide, make sure it is your own informed call. One more thing worth repeating: check for scratchings before placing any bet, since they can completely reshape a race on the day. For Race 3, the model's place selection is Nearco Frode. The playlist has the rest of the card, and if you have not subscribed, this channel runs for every Victorian meeting, every race day, entirely free. Race 3 at Sandown Hillside, all wrapped up. The headline Nearco Frode for the place, and Nearco Frode top 3 with Beach Pad top 4 as the same race multi if the longer odds option appeals to you. Every selection gets tracked publicly, with results posted weekly, no exceptions and no cherry-picking, win streaks or losing runs alike. That is the only honest way to judge this model over time, and it is on you to make that call. For entertainment purposes only, as always, please make your own informed decisions and gamble responsibly. See you next race.